Making the perfect cheesecake involves getting the crust, filling, and baking method right. There are various types of cheesecakes, each with its own characteristics. Here's a guide on how to make a classic cheesecake and an overview of different types. How to make perfect cheesecake. Ingredients. For the crust, 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs or any biscuit, cookie of choice 1/4 cup sugar 1/2 cup melted butter for the filling. 4 packs 8 ounces each cream cheese. Softened 1 cup granulated sugar 1 tsp vanilla extract 3 large eggs 1 cup sour cream optional. For richness and tang 1/4 cup heavy cream or full-fat milk optional. For creaminess pinch of salt instructions. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to 325 F 163 C. Prepare the crust. Mix the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Press the mixture evenly into the bottom of a springform pan usually 9 inches in diameter. Bake the crust for 8 to 10 minutes, then let it cool while you prepare the filling. Prepare the cheesecake filling. Beat the softened cream cheese with a hand mixer or stand mixer until smooth and creamy. Add the sugar and vanilla extract, and beat until well combined. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing just until incorporated after each addition. Be careful not to overmix. If using, mix in sour cream, heavy cream, or milk until smooth. Pour the cheesecake filling into the cooled crust. Bake the cheesecake. Place the cheesecake in the oven and bake for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center is slightly jiggly. You can bake with a water bath, placing the pan inside another pan filled with hot water to prevent cracking. Cool and chill. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool in the oven for 1 hour with the door slightly open. This helps prevent cracks. After cooling, refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or overnight, to fully set and firm up. Serve. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan and transfer it to a serving platter. Optionally, top with fresh fruit, chocolate ganache, or caramel sauce before serving. Types of cheesecake. A New York-style cheesecake, known for its dense, rich, and creamy texture. Often made with a mixture of cream cheese, sour cream, eggs, and heavy cream. Baked at a higher temperature, usually in a water bath to prevent cracking. Classic American cheesecake, slightly lighter than New York style. Often made with cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and vanilla, but sometimes without sour cream. The filling is not as dense as New York cheesecake. No-bake cheesecake, a lighter, fluffier version that doesn't require baking. Made by whipping cream cheese with sugar, lemon juice, and whipped cream, then setting it in the fridge. Often served with fruit toppings or chocolate. Japanese cheesecake. Cotton cheesecake, fluffy and lighter than most other cheesecakes, with a sponge cake-like texture. Made with cream cheese, eggs, and a light meringue, often baked in a water bath. Chicago-style cheesecake has a buttery, thick crust that is often made with a shortbread cookie base. The filling is dense but creamier, usually with a bit of vanilla and sometimes a hint of citrus. Ricotta cheesecake, made with ricotta cheese, often used in Italian cheesecakes. Has a lighter texture compared to cream cheese-based cheesecakes. Can be flavored with lemon zest or vanilla and is often topped with fruit. Savory cheesecake, a non-sweet version of cheesecake using ingredients like goat cheese, herbs, and spices. Often served as an appetizer or snack, topped with savory ingredients like tomatoes, olives, or roasted vegetables. Vegan cheesecake, made without dairy or eggs. Commonly made with cashews, coconut cream, or tofu as the base for the creamy filling. Sweetened with natural sweeteners like maple syrup or coconut sugar. Fruit cheesecake, a cheesecake that incorporates fruit into the filling or as a topping. Can include fresh berries, tropical fruits, or even fruit preserves like strawberry or raspberry.
Creative ideas for picnic cheesecake toppings. Fresh fruit. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or peaches are excellent options. You can even bring a fruit compote or fresh fruit salad to drizzle over the top. Chocolate. Shave some chocolate on top of your cheesecake, or drizzle a chocolate ganache, caramel, or toffee. Drizzle caramel sauce, or even butterscotch over the top for added sweetness. Nuts, crushed almonds, walnuts, or pecans add a nice crunch. Citrus zest, for a refreshing twist. Sprinkle lemon or orange zest on top. Tips for the perfect cheesecake. Room temperature ingredients. Make sure the cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature to prevent lumps. Don't overmix. Overmixing the batter can incorporate too much air, which may lead to cracks during baking. Water bath. Using a water bath while baking can prevent cracks and help the cheesecake bake evenly. Chill properly. Cheesecake needs to cool completely before being sliced. Chilling for several hours overnight is best, allows the texture to set properly. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you tried this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. Happy cooking! And I'll see you in the next video.